don't typically explore because it's 2.5 miles long, but today we decided we would. So we came across this massive white oak tree, and I wanted to share it with you guys real quick. And it comes with a little story. This mighty oak tree is a giant white oak, and it was here before the settlers came. Spared of the landowner's axe, it is one of the remnants of the oak savanna that used to cover the area. Over the years, this venerable oak survived a lightning strike and gypsy moth infestations. Its hollows have been home to raccoons, squirrels, several kinds of birds, and honeybees, having survived 200 years. So that's pretty amazing. A 200-year oak tree. So here's some of the leaves that have come down. You can see that they come to a point, not rounded. So if you're a child that's watching this, what kind of oak tree is this, given that the oak leaves are pointed and not rounded? Something to think about. I think I kind of gave it away when I was reading from the placard. Oh. So, just coming along the tree here, we have found that there is a pretty big hole in this big tree. Kind of don't want to stick my hand in there because I don't know what's living inside. I wonder if my camera can try to gather what's inside. I'm sure it's been home to many animals, but I can kind of see, and it's hard to really get a peek, but it goes back there pretty far. So, what do you think might have lived in this tree or still live in this tree? So, as we were leaving our nature walk, we came across some sandhill cranes. They are tall, long-necked gray birds with a red, featherless forehead. They eat frogs, fish, insects, but they also take much plant food such as seeds and fruits and aquatic vegetation. Right now, they seem to be picking away at some pears that have fallen down from a pear tree. We visit this nature preserve often, and I've seen the sandhill crane many times. We've noticed that they tend to build their nests in the boggy parts of the fields and in the marshy areas that are in the swamps surrounding this nature preserve, which is consistent with their natural habitat. They usually lay 1 to 2 eggs, but very rarely they lay 3. They are a pale olive color, marked in brown or gray.
Goodness, they're still eating. Maybe they're eating potatoes.
Potatoes grow under the ground. The crane is eating from the surface, so either they're pecking away at some bugs or they're eating from the pears that are fallen from the pear tree.
Oh, maybe they're eating some of the mushy grass.
That's an idea. A male and female crane pair for life, choosing a partner based on their dancing abilities and skills. A crane puts on a performance by stretching their wings, pumping their heads, bow, and then they leap into the air. Both the male and female crane are on average 47 inches tall. The oldest sandhill crane on recording was banded in 1973 in Wyoming, and he lived to be 36 years and 7 months old. He was found in New Mexico in 2010.
They sound funny. Why do they sound like that?
I'm not sure, but I can definitely look it up and we'll find out.
Okay.
Did you notice his call, sort of a trumpeting sound? This unique tone is due to a long trachea that coils into the sternum and helps the sound develop a lower pitch.
They sound like dolphins.
You're so silly. Territorial predators for the sandhill crane are foxes, raccoons, coyotes, wolves, bobcats, eagles and owls, and sometimes ravens. For territorial predators, the sandhill crane spreads their wings and they begin to hiss. And if this doesn't work, they progress to kicking. For aerial predators, they leap into the air and kick with their feet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave some feedback. Follow Holistic Homeschooler at holistichomeschooler.com. Find us on Facebook. Please like our page and join the Holistic Homeschooling group.